I have already said that co-education is an integrated education system in which boys and girls are studying in same environment. It helps very much because it is an inexpensive education system because many poor countries cannot afford separate school for both boys and girls. And it is a good platform to improve their personality both and girls through co-education we improve our personality and we remove our shyness between both genders, and it is very helpful for our society.
And through co-education we can friends, it co-education learns us how to respect each other, and it is the drawback of the co-education that most of the people and in our society think that the girls don't deserve the same respect as the boys deserve, and if they harass them, and if the harassment happens with their own sisters and mothers, then they get furious and they don't think that they harass the same with the others girls and sisters. So it is the downgrowth of the co-education.
Due to co-education we can build our confidence. Due to co-education we can build our confidence and we can make a perfect man in society. But there are some faults in the co-education because some mischievous boys do the harassment some girls. Due to this situation, many parents feared this incident and they did not send their girls in colleges and schools. But they did not know many other country co-education is very common and the cases of this incident is very low. So I want to say that co-education is very important role in our life and we can respect other gender in small age.
And in my opinion, co-education is an important role in our life. It is very beneficial for both the genders. It helps in improving our confidence. It helps in improving mutual understanding. Also, it has been seen that people who study in the co-education system, they have more respect towards the opposite gender because they respect each other and they know others' gender's perspective. Also, our government should spread awareness of co-education because it has been seen that many people are afraid of indulging their girls in the co-education system. And also government should spread awareness that it is not that bad as they think. And also our government should
Yes, I agree with my friend, but yes, I agree with my friend because and I would like to add some more points also because every system has its own merits and demerits also. So education is best in our country, and but we can see that our surroundings also because many of the girls have faced many problems like teaching and rape also. So it's a major problem in our country, but co-education helps to understand our mutual understanding, and co-education has removed our hesitations also. So it's good and bad also.
So I know that
Co-education means education for both genders. Although co-education prepares students for real life, in co-education students learn gender equality. And the students of co-education are more socially active. In co-education, students learn the other gender perspective also. And in co-education, students learn gender equality practically. They respect the other gender also. They know the perspective and thoughts of other gender and they have empathy and moral values for other gender. In co-education, by the co-education, the cases of rapes and teaching are also less because they have empathy for another gender.
As you know that boys and girls plays an important role in the development of a society. So co-education is a method from which both can get the same facility and the same education from an environment. And second thing, co-education help to remove the shyness from a girl so that they can raise their voice against the social harassment and various type of crimes which happens with them. So I think co-education is the best way of learning.
Co-education is very beneficial to remove the gender equality from the society because there is no discrimination based on the gender. There is a old myth that girls think that they are inferior to the men, but when they are live together with a man, they know about that they have same physical and same attitude towards the boys, and it is very helpful for gender equality.
As we all are familiar to our culture that we are living in a male-dominated country, and if I talk about that we are living in 21st essentially all are equal, and for the betterment of the all gender, it is necessary that co-education should be applied in every school, colleges and institute, that every candidate can create mutual understanding between all the genders, and it will also help them to treat in their future life.
As we all know, everything has its pros and cons. Co-education also has its demerit and merit also. Co-education provide a better platform for both gender to interact with each other and give a mutual understanding for their feelings and help to make a better society. If we talk about the model school, like where boys and girls are studying separately, there is a very
because in India we see many discrimination, but due to co-education we can reduce it, because in co-education everyone study together in same class, and for the teacher every student are the same and equally, so there is very important for discrimination.
Through co-education we can remove through co-education career life.
In co-education has been many ways to understanding their behavior and mutual understanding. It may remove their finance and education from each other. Where the co-education and single gender school are benefited in their own areas. As in single gender school there is no fear of bullying and agitation and insult from the other gender. Where in the co-education parents in the backward society or in the orthodox society fear to send their girl child to in this co-education school, and in our society co-education must be preferred to the single gender school.
Through co-education we can remove our hesitations, interaction with the opposite sex. With the help of interaction with the opposite sex, we can share our thoughts and ideas with the both genders. It also helps to increase our self-confidence, and there is no requirements to make a separate building for other genders. It also shows the gender equality.
In co-education we can interact
with perspective of other gender. There are no discrimination between gender in co-education, and students learn gender equality in co-education. And in co-education, by the co-education, student of male gender does not objectify a girl child, because they know the emotion and they have empathy for the girl child.
Now co-education change on the both sex has the equal rights in the sector, and it should be that while we go in further in our future, and we have to interact with the opposite sex, and we feel shy. We a lot of us we have seen that we feel shy about opposite sex, but it can be removed if we try to improve ourselves through childhood, and it could be better with the co-education if we all of us should try to interact with the opposite gender since childhood. We will improve our common skills, and it would be benefit to us to interact with the opposite sex.
Gender equality index is very low in our country, but it is a very good way. It is a very good way to increase the gender equality index, and I think that it is due to co-education we can respect other opposite gender, and I think that behind the success of a man always stand a woman. It is very good for our society, and I think that to increase our gender equality index, our government open co-education institute and colleges.
My friend said that the gender equality is most important thing, and in co-education we get an opportunity in which we have to get a facility where both boy and girl can study together, and they remove their shyness while interact with the girls and boys. And it is not necessary that we feel shy while speaking. The girls also feel shy while speaking us. Then it is also a benefit to us, and it is the main cases of co-education is that when we get a mutual understanding while the co-education, when we study with girls from our childhood, and there we get a better mutual understanding, and the cases of the harassment will be removed by it, and as we know that the rape cases are also increasing in our country, and it also the lack of
our mutual understanding. While we did not think about the girl, and it also benefit that when we are study with girls, then it is make us a better mental maturity. And also, while co-education, the basic thing is that it remove the gender discriminant. Then gender discriminant is the basic important rule in our society, because in previous time most of the girls have no right to study, they don't know about their rights. But now thus era is changed, and our society has been changed now completely, and they have the rights. Then both girl and boy they can take education in co-education.
In co-education we can interact with the other gender, many of yes, I agree with my friend. So it's improve our interacting personality. As I saw that there are many schools who are making separate like girls wing and boys wing. So it is not good. Why they are making this? This is not the good, because students want to interact with one another. So co-education is very important, because many students don't express themselves in front of opposite gender. So it is not good. Co-education improves our interacting personality, and we can easily express ourselves to the others. So
my point of view,
in
after
the life,
co-education, the mutual understanding will be increased. After and in the co-education, you can see you can share the knowledge if you have, and the difference between two genders will be